The most common question I get asked by entrepreneurs and business owners is how franchise business works. A lot of business owners ask me that, Karthik, good, but how does this whole system of franchise business work? And you know what? This video is going to be the answer for all the business owners and entrepreneurs who are thinking that what is this franchise business and how it works. I'm going to be giving you a bird's eye view of the entire franchise system, of the entire franchise business itself. Okay, this is going to be one of the most important videos. So I want every business owner and entrepreneurs who are watching this video, please stick on because this will be one of the most important videos you'll ever watch on the topic how franchise business works. Okay, so before we move forward, I want to give you a quick introduction about myself. I'm Karthik Naidu. I'm an entrepreneur turned franchisor turned franchise business coach, and right now I'm the founder of Franchise Ecosystem Hub, where I have hundreds of business owners who are implementing my system called Franchise Ecosystem Model and getting massive results. Okay, I have the largest community of franchises in India, and it's one of its kind, and it's more than a community, it's an extended family to me, and it's very, very close to my heart, and it's super special. Okay, so before we move forward, today's topic is about how franchise business works. So let's not take much time. This is going to be a super crisp, super short video where I'll get deep into the concepts on how this entire business model itself works. It's going to be a bird's eye view. I'll show you everything. What are the concepts? I want you to understand, make a lot of notes, and make sure that you pick up the best points so that you can use to your business. Before that, before even we start off, I want you to right now go to the comment box, leave your name and what business industry you're into. I would love to read all of your comments. Write your name, what is your business name, and what business industry you're in, so that I can see that and understand what businesses are engaging on the content and on the videos of what I'm making. Okay, so let's get into the mind map and get started. So this is my mind map. Give me a second. Yes, this is my mind map. Let's get in. First thing is, even before you want to franchise your business, you got to qualify to franchise your business. I keep telling this because franchising is not for everyone. I'll tell you, members, 90% of the startups fail and 10% succeed. In the 10%, only 1% can franchise. This is the most powerful stuff. And that qualification, I've made a lot of videos relating to the qualification basis. And I also have a franchise qualification test, which I do inside my masterclass, where I'll give you an invite to get inside my free masterclass and understand on how you can take your business to a brand and take your brand to a franchise brand and franchise your business. I'm going to give you an invite. So make sure to stick on to this video. I'll tell you how to exactly go forward and claim your pass to attend the masterclass. So first thing I want is successful business. Even to qualify and think about franchising, your existing business must be successful. Simple terms, if your income is lesser than your expenditure, equals you're under loss. The income what you're getting in your store branch should be higher than your salaries, rental and overheads, whatever you're giving, so that you can make a profit. Only if you're making a profit, franchising is for you. Otherwise, I would not recommend franchising to you, because I don't want to put people's money on risk when they invest in your brand. But if you're successful, it's going to be a great opportunity for people to invest in your franchise and create income for them in their life. And that's what the vision of this community is, to create super standard, super solid businesses that can actually serve as a purpose for the entrepreneurs getting into the industry for the first time. We want to serve the community of people who want to start their businesses, to be safe with their investment, to make profits, and to be happy and lead a happy life. Okay, this is the community's vision and mission. So that's about it. First is going to be, you got to qualify. Now, I'm going to share with you the 4 steps that you require to understand on how to franchise your business, how franchise business works. I'm going to give you the overall view of this entire thing. Step 1 is going to be brand building. If you want to franchise your business, and if you want to understand how the franchise business works, you must know about brand building. So what is brand building? Inside brand building, you got to be shown up on the first page of Google. I always tell this, I endorse this very strongly, because Google right now, Google search engine, when I'm making this video, is the number 1 in the world for any search engine. And if you show up on the first page of Google, that means your company has reached where the brand building is. If not, you got to work on that. So right now you can go forward, click your company's name, your personal brand name or whatever, and see whether you come on the first page. If you come on the first page, you're on the right track. If not, start working on putting out the content so that your company gets noticed by Google, or you get noticed so that people will understand that you have a credibility when they type your brand name on the Google. Very important stuff. Second is your reviews and testimonials. What kind of reviews you're getting from your customers, what kind of reviews you're getting from your franchisees, all these matter a lot, members. I'll tell you, it's very important. So your happy customers, your happy franchisees will get you more into your community, into your tribe, into your brand. You got to make sure that existing people in your particular brand as franchisees must be successful, must be happy, because the more happy they are, you're going to be attracting more of the people inside. If they're not satisfied, if they feel this is not working out for them, then it's very likely that people can come and join you and be a part of your team. So you got to make sure that you keep your franchisees happy even before thinking about franchising more. Okay. The third one is about your website will reflect the brand. You got to have a top-notch website. That doesn't mean you got to spend lakhs of rupees to make a website. And this is what I cover in my community. I make them do a separate website, which is not of their main company website. It's going to be only for franchising, because that is the ultimate way where we do. And I make them buy a domain name. It's a deeper stuff where I share everything in my community inside for all the members who are existingly implementing this system. I make them buy a separate domain and a separate website so that we can put across all the content of reviews, testimonials, the profit, ROI videos without hesitation. But if you're going to be putting all of that in your main website, just think for it. If you're in the education sector, is it a good sign that a parent goes to your website and sees that you're trying to sell franchisees? You're speaking about business. It's not a good feeling. If you're somebody in the restaurant space, do people have to go through what is the plan of expansion that you're looking at? They don't need it. They have visited your website with a specific reason, either to take an admission or to know about your menu and what kind of food you make. So you got to keep separate and specific. That's what I focus on. So it's about brand building. This is called the first step to understand if you want to know how franchise business works. Okay. Step 1 is going to be brand building. Step 2 is systems and setup. The system works because you need to have a separate system and setup. So what is systems and setup? You must have a system to generate leads. People should inquire with you to start their franchise business. That's called lead generation. Second is going to be the list building. List building is about aggregating the data. This is the future. People who had a lot of lands and all, they are called zamindars in the earlier thing, but right now, data is the king. Okay, so if you have data, you're the richest person. So it's about list building. This is what I cover inside the community. Third is about automation. Imagine, I see a lot of business owners who want to franchise their business. They just go to Facebook, open the lead form and create a lead form and advertise themselves. They get 500 leads, 600 leads. It's practically impossible for you to call up each and every lead. If you're getting per day about 100, 150 leads, do you really think your telecallers or you yourself can call all of them and give the best when you speak to them? And if you don't do that, there's a high possibility that you'll miss out them. And that's why you need a system. That is what I called as franchise ecosystem model, where we have a complete automation system right from a person who inquires on Facebook through my landing page or your landing page in the brand of a community. From there, you get an SMS to your phone that somebody is inquired. You call them immediately. So it's like the hottest lead you can get. It's a deeper subject. You need to have your systems and setup. And that's why by the time I finish this video, I'm going to be giving you a free invite to my masterclass. If you get into my masterclass and understand on how the system works, how you can implement the system to your business and take it forward, I'll also be giving you an invite to take the membership inside my community. If you feel this is what I want, you can jump in and stay connected to me and rest of the community to take your business forward. But I'll be sharing that only at the end of this video. Let's get back to the step number 3. Step number 3 is going to be documentation and agreements. Is only systems enough? Is only brand building enough? Not really. You need to have the right documentation and right agreements so that you are legally protected. And a lot of people downloading from online and all, please do not do it. I'll tell you, legal is not so easy as you think. You are a company who's getting into the market and franchising your business. You got to think like a company. You cannot take drafts randomly like that, tweak it and just sign up the same agreement. It doesn't work like that. And there is a system to it and you need to exactly follow the guidelines to it. Okay, what is documentation and agreements? I cover three topics here. One is the legal agreements. That means all your agreements, whatever franchise agreement, all of that. That is the one topic that gets covered. Second is about the presentation. When you actually give a presentation to your franchisees, this is going to be one of the ultimate ways and the most crucial part for people to decide to take your franchising or no. This is the ultimate way, and there is a process to it. If you really want to franchise your business in the right way and attract the right franchisees, you must have the proper PPT, proper ROI, and all of that. That is what is important. The days are gone, members. If you're thinking about all of this, that I can do it, no, you got to do it the right way, because you don't have a lot of chances to keep experimenting and going through the learning curve. Okay. And second is going to be presentation, and third is SOP. And if you think that standard operational procedure is about the 400 page or 500 page book, and you give it to your franchisees, do you even think your franchisees are going to sit and read that 500 page manual? I'll tell you, members, these are age old methods. This was done 50, 60, 70, 80 years back because digital was not so popular. People were reading, they had a reading habit, and that's why the SOPs were printed so that they can give it to them, they can go through it, and it was a document to be returned back also. But right now the generation has changed, the world is changing, it's all digital. I don't mean to say that you have to give a PDF file of your SOP. No, we have something called as digital assets. Very powerful stuff. This one word can change the business of yours, franchising forever. This is what is our USP. We create digital assets that work and train people, and every SOP is being covered into that. I get deeper inside my community. When you get inside my community, you will be learning all of these aspects, because it's about ecosystem. I don't cover only about getting your franchisees. That's not my end motive. That's not the community's motive. The community and my motive is to build a super solid 360-degree approach of franchise business to your business currently. Okay, so let's get into the fourth step. The fourth step is extremely important, and it is marketing and conversion. A lot of people try to skip this three. They jump onto marketing and conversion and then try to arrange for documents and agreements, and then they try to do here and there. No, please do not do it, members. At least if you're watching my video of this. If you're connected to me on my social media platform, if you're watching this video, please do not do it, because there is a system to it. There is a step-by-step process to it. I don't want you to go through the learning curve and reinvent the cycle already. Okay, so I'm the person for you. So I'm going to tell you, because I was an entrepreneur just like you who started on this journey where I did not find resources to franchise my business. And that's when I had to build my own franchise system. And right now this system is built in such a way it can be used to any business under the sun. No matter what industry you're in, what business you're in, this system is going to work magic for you. And I want to bring in awareness to every business owner who's thinking about franchising, so that they don't get into the wrong path and lose the track and then again repent, thinking that I've spent a lot of money and everything has gone wasted, and lose the hope on franchising. Please do not do it. Get into the system, follow the system, implement, and you will be able to create magic. Okay. So now marketing and conversion consist of ads, funnels, and conversion. I'm going to be covering this also in the ecosystem model in a deeper level. But in this video, I want to tell you that marketing and conversion is about creating your ads and having the right funnels. People should have a great experience once they submit their lead on your advertisement, like their name, email ID, and contact number in the city or whatever information you're asking for. They should be able to have a good journey. That is called a funnel. And I have a funnel exactly only for franchisers. This funnel is being implemented by hundreds of business owners, myself, and everyone. It's because this funnel is like the ultimate funnel for franchising. It's a 16-step funnel, and this is what you'll be learning in a deeper level. And third is about conversion. If you want to convert your franchise inquiries into your franchisees, there is a system to it. You got to know the skill of, you got to know the skill of franchising. You got to know the skill of sales. When you understand this, you will be able to exactly implement this and take it to the next level. Okay, so marketing and conversion is about ads, funnels, and conversions. This is required. So now, giving you the answer to how franchise business works, bird's eye view is you got to build your brand, you got to set up your systems, you got to have documentation and agreements, and you got to market and convert the inquiries that come to you in the right way. Extremely, extremely important. And if you understand all of this, and if you say that, yes, Karthik, I think I'm excited and this is what I can do, then My question to you is, are you ready to build your empire? If you're ready to build your empire, then I invite you to my franchise business masterclass, which I do exclusively to make you understand on how you can take your business to a brand and take your brand to a franchise brand and franchise your business. Okay, I've given the link. It's a free masterclass. I will be meeting you. I'll be spending 90 minutes and explaining every concept so that you can use the system to your business and without hassle free, go and do it. So click on the button right now, register yourself. It's a free access. Watch out for my emails and get the reminders when the masterclass is starting. Get into it, learn, and at the end of the masterclass, I'll be offering you even my membership to my coaching program and my community. If you feel, yes, this is what I want to learn, this is what I want to implement, then the membership in my community is going to be for you. Okay, learning is good, members. You get a lot of information like this on my different social media handles. This is about the knowledge, but implementation is separate. You know why? Because even if I tell you, prepare a biryani, what are you going to do? What are the things that you're going to be adding first, second, third, fourth? You'll not be able to do that. And you require a guide, you require a manual, you require a framework and a structure to franchise your business. And that is what I'm going to be giving you inside Franchise Ecosystem Hub. I'm going to be giving you in the model called Franchise Ecosystem Model, which you can use to your business and franchise your business. Okay, that's amazing. So before I wind up this particular video, thank you so much for watching this video. I know that you're loving this content and all of that, but right now I want you to go below right now, mention a name, what business you're into, and write what are the 3 key takeaways that you learned. Whatever you learned, that is the best thing you can do to me for making this video is leave me the 3 key takeaways so that I understand what is that you're learning so that I can focus on bringing in more valuable information to you on how you can take your business to franchising and franchise your business. Okay, so before I wind up, make sure that you go right now, click on the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, any other platforms you're watching this video, I want you to go follow me, hit a like button, or give me a heart symbol and leave a comment so that I know that you are engaging on the content and I will know about you also. Don't forget to leave your name. So you can also get connected to me on YouTube. Go and subscribe, follow me on Twitter, connect with me on Facebook, and follow with me on Instagram. So I'm there on all the platforms so we can stay connected to understand about how to franchise your business. Okay. So before I wind up, this is Karthik Naidu here, your entrepreneur turned franchisor turned franchise business coach. And I'm the founder of Franchise Ecosystem Hub, where I have hundreds of business owners who are implementing my system called Franchise Ecosystem Model and getting massive results. And that's why I'm inviting you to my free masterclass where you can learn on how this system works and make a decision and get into the membership and stay connected with me and take your brand into the franchising world and make it big. You might ask me, Karthik, how long is it going to take? I'm going to give you an answer. If you follow the system precisely and everything to the T, you will be able to franchise a business within 30 to 60 days. Okay, we are doing it. We are rocking it. You can go to the website, check out some of our success stories, and it's amazing. And before I wind up, thank you so much, members, for watching this video till end. It means a lot, and I hope this has given you a lot of value. So make sure you stay connected, check out regular content, whatever is being posted, engage on that, leave your comments, and stay connected to me because together we can make this industry as one of the best industry and create those brands which will serve to the new entrepreneurs and provide opportunities for them to earn, and they can be the people who can trust every brand that comes out of Franchise Ecosystem Hub. Thank you so much. This is Karthik Naidu signing off right now. Have a great day and have a great week ahead and stay connected. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.